Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from company like the Cognizant, KPIT and other hiring. So if you are the fresher looking for some important internship and opportunity, then this video is for you. So first two opportunity that is from the Cognizant, they are hiring for the role of process associate, and this is a non-tech profile for this. They are hiring for different location like the Hyderabad and the Bengaluru location. Okay, so freshers are here for this wonderful drive. So SOA process executive, and you can directly apply from the Naukri. So looking for 2023 and above pass on to only means 2023, 2024, 2025. All can apply. These are the roles and responsibility like customer service, strong English writing skill, clear communication skill, effective research skills, and other things are there. So this is a BPO role, and any graduates can apply for this wonderful opportunity. And this is also for the same role for a different location. Next one, the wonderful opportunity from the KPIT, and for the role of trainee freshers are here for this. They have clearly mentioned experience 0 year, and job location for this is Coimbatore. Total 10 number of openings are there. So this is a wonderful opportunity for the different role like the technical illustrator, part catalog author, technical author. So you can look out the descriptions for the different fields, different requirements are there. So check out and apply as soon as possible. For CTC is 3.2 LPA and every area is 60% throughout the academic area. And BTech 2025-2026 graduates can apply who have mechanical, automotive, or aeronautical engineering. So this is a wonderful opportunity. Directly you can register. Check out the different uh, means link in the description. You can directly see apply that. Moving to next, that is a full-time role for the role of non-stack developer. Box from office. Company name is Modgenic Solutions. So talking about the responsibility, you will be responsible to develop and maintain the web applications, build responsible user-friendly interface, and working on API and other things are there. So if you're interested in more, then you can directly apply to the career websites or share your resume to this mail ID. This is a wonderful opportunity. I will share all the link in the description again. Keep applying, friends. Students are also getting reward who are applying. Okay, so don't lose hope. I know the job market is not that much good as it was previous, but you have to struggle. You have to hustle a lot. Moving to next, that is from the Numdesk. They are hiring for the role of junior functional consultant. So you can ignore this. Okay, so this is for the Lahore location. So moving to next, that is from the Lenskart. They are hiring for the role of Java L1 support role, and for this the job location is Bengaluru, India. This is a wonderful profile and wonderful company, especially the knowledge of basic computer science, fundamental basic Java and MySQL knowledge are required, and strong chance of getting reward from this company. So if you have done BE, BTech or MCA and you are fresher, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. So freshers to 1 year experience can apply, and the job location is Manesar, Vivandi plant, 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. will be the job timing. So if you are comfortable with night shift, then you can apply for this. Moving to last, that is from the Everpure. They are hiring for the role of member of technical staff DIAC. For this, the job location is Bengaluru, and the knowledge of C++ are required, and other things are there. So check out the complete link in the description. This is a wonderful profile. Just you have to apply the updated resume, attach the cover letter and other things. Hope informative to कोई भी query है, feel free to ask here. For getting such important job updates, you can subscribe us. We regularly post lots of important job updates and opportunity. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.